Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Phantom Wallet from Binance. So at first, head over to Binance and then you want to click onto your assets or wallet. Just so you know, you cannot transfer money directly. What you need to do is either Bitcoin, Ethereum, these things. So let's say you have some Bitcoin that you want to transfer. You want to select BTC over here and then the amount and then click on confirm. From there, what it's going to do is ask you for the Phantom Wallet address. So to do that, just head over to your Phantom Wallet. You want to click on receive and then you want to copy the Bitcoin address and paste it over here. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.